What if I told you there's a planet where you would be crushed, melted, and suffocated, all within minutes? Welcome to Venus, Earth's twin, turned into a nightmare. At first glance, Venus looks just like Earth. Same size, similar structure, and right next door in our solar system. But don't be fooled. Venus is the most hostile planet you could ever visit, and today, you're going to land on it. But before we go any further, have you ever been to Mercury? No? Then you might want to check that out first, because things there are already insane. And somehow, Venus is even worse. As you approach Venus, something feels off. The entire planet is covered in thick yellowish clouds. You can't see the surface at all, and these clouds are made of sulfuric acid. Yes, acid. If your spacecraft isn't strong enough, you're already in danger. You begin your descent. The atmosphere gets thicker and heavier. It's about 90 times denser than Earth's atmosphere. It feels like you're sinking into a deep ocean, but instead of water, it's toxic gas. Your ship starts shaking. The pressure builds. The heat begins to rise, and then it gets worse. The temperature outside reaches around 465 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than Mercury, even though Mercury is closer to the sun. Why? Because Venus traps heat like a giant pressure cooker, a runaway greenhouse effect that never stops. This isn't just heat. This is hell. Now imagine, somehow you survive the landing. You step out onto the surface. Instantly, the pressure hits you like a wall. It's equal to being almost 900 meters underwater on Earth. Your body wouldn't handle it. Your lungs would collapse. And the heat? It would start burning you alive within seconds. You wouldn't last even a minute. The ground beneath you is dry, rocky, and lifeless. No water, no plants, no signs of life. Just endless volcanic plains and a sky filled with toxic clouds. The sky isn't blue, it's a dark orange suffocating nightmare. But here's the most terrifying part. Scientists believe Venus once looked like Earth. It may have had oceans, possibly even life. But something went horribly wrong, and now it's a warning. Because if Earth ever loses its balance, it could become just like Venus, a beautiful twin turned into a burning hell. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this: not every planet is meant to be explored. Some are meant to be feared. And if you survived this journey, don't forget to like the video, because clearly you enjoy dangerous places, and subscribe, because the next planet might be even worse.